Hello everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter V. The sound of the letter V is V. Let's try a few words that start with the V sound. V is for van. Van. V is for wet. Wet. V is for vest. West. V is for veil. Veil. V is for vase. Vase. V is for wine. Wine. V is for violin. Violin. V is for vanilla. Vanilla. V is for volcano. Volcano. V is for village. Village. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. V is for volleyball. Volleyball. And not to forget me, V is for vulture. Vulture. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter V with me. See you again very soon in another phonics class. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.